Please subscribe. Guru.com is a freelancing platform that connects businesses with talented freelancers in various fields such as web development, graphic design, writing, marketing, and more. It was founded in 1998 and has since grown to become one of the leading platforms in the gig economy. On Guru.com, businesses can post job listings, known as Guru workrooms, outlining their project requirements and budget constraints. Freelancers then bid on these listings, offering their services and proposed fees. The platform facilitates communication and collaboration between clients and freelancers, with tools for project management, file sharing, and payment processing. Guru.com offers various membership plans for both clients and freelancers, providing different levels of access to features and benefits. It has a robust escrow system to ensure payment security for both parties, and it also offers dispute resolution services in case conflicts arise during project execution. Certainly. Here's a more detailed overview of Guru.com. Registration and profile creation. Both freelancers and clients can register on Guru.com for free. Freelancers create profiles showcasing their skills, expertise, portfolio, and work history. Clients provide information about their company and the type of work they need to be done. Job postings. Clients post job listings, known as Guru workrooms, detailing their project requirements, budget, timeline, and any other relevant information. They can also specify whether they're looking for hourly rates or fixed-price contracts. Bidding system. Freelancers browse through available job listings and submit proposals, outlining how they can fulfill the project requirements, their proposed fees, and estimated completion time. Clients review the proposals and freelancer profiles before selecting the most suitable candidate. Communication and collaboration. Once a freelancer is hired, Guru.com provides tools for communication and collaboration within the platform. This may include messaging, file sharing, and video conferencing to facilitate project discussions and updates. Escrow system and payment processing. Guru.com utilizes an escrow system to ensure payment security for both clients and freelancers. Membership plans. Guru.com offers different membership plans for both clients and freelancers, each with varying levels of access to features and benefits. These plans may include additional tools for promoting services, increased visibility in search results, and priority customer support. Overall, Guru.com serves as a comprehensive platform for freelancers to showcase their skills and find work, and for businesses to efficiently connect with talented professionals to complete their projects.